Everyone, this is Cable Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dasbia compilation. So once again, no longer, I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dasbia has to offer for today's video. Wait lang, ang ganda nito, ma'am. Wait, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda nito pang thumbnail. Madadaanan din naman natin ang video yan. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ano to? Wait, the Bianca? Dustin on stage. Inspiration ko din. Ay! Live na lang yan. Live na lang yan si Mel. Oh, kalma. Oh. Kalma sila for today's video. Kalmahan niyo, Dasbia. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan. Cheer ka pa ha. E napansin ka tuloy. Charis. Deserve for today's video. Okay. Oh my God. Alam mo, endgame na talaga to sila eh. Sure talaga ako eh. Endgame na talaga to, ma'am. No one can take that away from them ang pagiging endgame nila. Just. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yun, ma'am? Ang pagiging endgame nila, hindi na talaga ito matatanggal sa kanila. For today's video.
Now, for our last special recognition this evening,
Ano to?
this is an award of
Dasbia?
appreciation for the fandom that made an effort to support their favorite nominee while also contributing to a greater cause. Now let's call on the Executive Director of POS Philippines, Attorney Ana Cabrera, to present the award.
Ano meron? Wait. Stand for Good Award. Taray!
Now, the
Dasbia?
Stand for Good Award recognizes the fan group that contributed the highest number of Facebook stars, transforming their
stars.
support
Wow.
for their favorite nominee into
Mayaman talaga ang
meaningful help
Dasbia.
for the advocacy projects of the
Kung
Philippine
Dasbia
Animal
yan,
Welfare Society.
mayaman talaga ang Dasbia, ma'am. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
The Stand for Good Award goes to
Dasbia.
Bia, the fandom of
Grabe.
Dustin Yu and Bianca
Grabe,
De Vera.
Magkano? Mayaman naman kasi talaga sila eh. Diba? Kaya don't mess up with Dasbia for today's video. Taray! Anyways, dito mo natin sa mga kilig-kilig. Ay, bakit may ganon? Bianca, hindi yan makakawala sa Dustin. Sinasabi ko sa iyo. Charik. Bianca, hindi yan mawawala. Andyan di ba yung JM Fiang? Ay, hello. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am?
The nominees are Hertz Gazon, Cafe Fermin, Monarchs Jewelry, Zion Philippines, Beauty Ball, Gentry Privances, and the VP Choice Award goes to Hertz Gazon.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nig on the dance floor.
Okay.
She had 2-3 drinks, now she
I would
Puri
like to
Dustin.
share this
Ay,
award.
ano?
Everyone
Next
who
speech.
believes in what I can do
Yes.
sa kakayanan ko hindi lang bilang isang tao, hindi lang bilang isang artista, hindi bilang isang babae rin.
Mas lalo ko pong gagalingan at magiging inspirasyon to sa akin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dasbia. Ang ganda naman nun. Binigyan talaga siya ng chance. I mean, binigay talaga ang spotlight. Just a little thing in my... Ganda ni Bianca? Ganda ng gown niya.
so love me like you do, la la love me like you do,
Kinukulit niyo talaga.
love me like you do, la
Kinukulit niya talaga, ma'am. Sa totoo na. Kinukulit niya talaga. She's doing something talaga para makulit niya lang talaga si Dustin. Cutie. Cutie, di ba? Cutie kaya? Okay. Yes. Ay, ganda ng gown ni Bianca. Oh my God. Wapo ni Dustin. Ganda. Sinong hairstylist si Dustin? Parang nag-iba yung hairstyle ni Dustin ngayon, ah. Fandom of the Year. Dusty. Promising Female Star of the Year. Supporting Movie Actor of the Year. Dustin.
Inspiration ko talaga si Bianca Del Vera.
Naman. Stand for good. Congratulations, Dasbia.
The VP Choice Award goes to
Oh my God, kalaban niya si Caparis?
Justin Yu.
Kalaban niya pala si Caparis? Congratulations, Dasbia.
Mas lalo ko siyang gagalingan at magiging inspiration.
Galingan mo, Paps, ha?
I'd like to share this award to everyone who did this.
Prove mo sa kanila na mali sila, Paps.
Sa kakayanan mo.
Prove mo sila Bianca na mali sila. After all the judgment and everything. After all the bash.
The VP Choice Award goes to Dusbia.
To our fans who really work day and night for all the stars that they voted.
Ito pong award na to ay malaking tulong po sa mga nangangailangan. Fit at inspiration ko talaga si Bianca Del Vera.
Okay. Ilang award sila? Ay, ano to? 6 days ago? Ay, oo, napanood ko na yan. That's Via Sweet Moments. I mean, ganyan ba talaga dapat now? Okay. Okay. Gwapo ni Dustin. Ay, hello. Ano to? Ay. Anyways, so this is it for today's video from Dasbia Compilation. This is Kiyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.